Hi everybody, it's Kayjay from Metro Hobbies, and today I'm taking a look at the Ninjago City Gardens. Now, you've seen me review the Ninjago City Gardens Lego set, and if you haven't, you should, and there will be a link in the description, or go search for it, it's definitely there. But today I'm going to take a look at the lighting set done by Light My Bricks, and wow, let's get into it. Okay, so the Ninjago City Gardens Light My Bricks set. This is the box all the lights come in. I know it looks small, but there are there's 46 bit lights in here. There are 13 white strip lights in here, a number of connecting cables, and I think maybe 12 expansion boards. There is a lot. And of course there needs to be, because the Ninjago City Gardens is the 4th largest Lego set ever made. So like something like 5,800 pieces. This took me about a day to install all the lights that you see that are on at the moment. And I found it very, very relaxing. So I was able to set it up on a coffee table. I had my laptop next to me because that's where all the instructions are. It's like a PDF view. You could print it if you like, but I prefer to be able to zoom in when I need to double check all the details about where things need to go in, because you need to remember that you need to put the plugs in the correct way. I'm going to just talk about a couple of things that I'd like to point out. So there's a huge number of blue bit lights. They're all in the water area that's highlighting the fact that this is a city built on the ocean near a harbour. In terms of strip lights, they've basically just used it to highlight what's going in, so you can see all the cool features that are in the Lego set, and it's lit up each room. So without having to actually open things up, you can actually see some of the details of the museum, either on the front or on the inside. I like that they have chosen to use coloured lights to highlight the different trees that they have in here. So you've got the tree, they've got just a couple of green lights that are highlighting the branches in there. And with the cherry blossom tree at the top, they've got a couple of pink lights highlighting that. They've even gone to the effort of putting pink exhaust lights. Well, actually they're white bit lights, but because the element is pink, then it comes up as pink. But the exhaust lights on the scooter, or the getaway scooter for the thief villain over there. Something that's really outstanding about this lighting kit is that it's so elegantly simple. They've just done exactly the right amount of lights to make all the features of the Lego set come to life. It's an incredible Lego set on its own, and this just brings the whole thing to life and lets you see the story. I will say that because there's so many different levels in here, and because you've got wires connecting between all the different levels, it will make, once you've put this set in, it becomes an ultimate display piece. And lifting the levels up to then go inside them will become a little bit challenging. Now, there is a way around that. You can install wireless components, but you would need to install 18 of them, roughly, which is a lot. So that's like 9 packets worth. But if you did that and you took the time to work out where to place them, you could then bring that back to the lifting the level situation. Or maybe you just choose the levels that you want to be able to see. So you could maybe just choose like 3 levels. And in that case, maybe you'd only need about 6 of the wireless bit lights. As it is, it's incredible. And once it's set up, because of the way it's lit up, you're actually going to see all the details anyway. You're probably not going to want to actually lift it up. I just had this sitting on my coffee table for several days and just casually turning it on and going, oh, yes, that's very relaxing. I really enjoyed putting it together. My time was mindfulness, I guess is what you would call it. In a day's worth of time. I mean, I was lucky that I had that time, but if you don't have that time, then you can spread out the enjoyment of putting this together and watching it come to life. Okay, everybody, that is the Ninjago City Gardens Light My Bricks set. It's available in our online store, ready for click and collect or postage. And if you don't have the Ninjago City Gardens, why not? That is also in our store and available exactly the same locations. And I'll just leave you with, if you can imagine it, you can build it, you can also install it.